The relationship between departments in an organization is crucial for its overall success. Each department may have its own unique function, but their goals are interdependent. Effective communication and collaboration across departments are essential to achieving the organization's objectives. For example, effective communication between marketing and sales, or marketing and operations, or sales and finance, or even operations and finance is essential for an organization's success. Every department's action directly affects another's. Miscommunication or lack of communication can lead to missed opportunities or even conflicts. By working together, departments foster innovation, solve complex problems, and make it easier to align goals across departments. On the flip side, poor communication between departments can have significant repercussions. These include inefficiencies, delays, increased costs, customer dissatisfaction, and even damage to the company's reputation. When departments operate in silos, they may prioritize their own goals over the organization's broader objectives, leading to misalignment and conflicts. So how do we stop this? Well, collaboration eliminates redundancies and improves processes. The more each department knows, the better. This allows for different perspectives to be considered. Thus, decisions are likely to be more well-rounded, and then addressing potential risk and opportunities from multiple angles becomes far easier to manage. When teams collaborate, it creates a sense of unity and shared purpose. Thus, the teams are happier and the people feel that their contributions are valued. Of course, there are challenges such as cultural differences or even allocating resources. Departments often develop their own ways of working, and differences in cultures or terminologies or even work styles can make collaboration challenging. In addition, collaborating across departments often requires sharing resources, which can lead to conflicts or inefficiencies if not properly managed. The best way to battle this is to create clear objectives, establish communication channels, or encourage a collaborative culture. All departments should have a clear understanding of what the shared goals they are working towards. This prevents misalignment and ensures everyone is on the same page. Leadership should foster a culture that values and rewards collaboration across departments. This can be done through cross-functional teams, collaborative projects, and shared accountability. The better the relationship between departments, the more powerful a business can be.